Hi guys, Happy New Year! So excited to be here to bring you a brand new product, Genius Collagen Calming Relief. You would not believe how many people come to me saying, Tammy, my skin is red, my skin is irritated, I have sensitive skin. What do I use? You use this. So if your skin is looking or feeling irritated because of stress or weather, procedures or travel or changing your skincare routine, then you need this. My skin is too blessed to be stressed. We have Active Vegan Collagen, which actually reduces the appearance of stress-induced signs of aging. We have Alguronic Acid, which helps boost all the other ingredients, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and helps boost hydration. Calendula, Edelweiss, and beta-glucan from Oats actually help improve the appearance of redness in your skin. And my skin just drinks it in. It absorbs so quickly, so lightweight, not greasy, not heavy, just gorgeous. Reduces the appearance of visible redness, locks in moisture, actually treating dryness, and gives you incredible bounce and resilience. Keep calm and collagen on.